Welcome to West Press. I'm Olivia.
And I'm Grace.
Now that the weather is warming up, going to the beach and swimming is a fun way to beat the heat.
The water, especially the Great Lakes, can be a dangerous place to be if you are not safe. Let's take a look at an award-winning 60-second water safety video for some tips on a safe summer.
Welcome to 60-second safety.
Today we are learning about swimming and why it is so important.
Now, don't pause the video because we're not going to bore you with facts and statistics. We're going to act out most of what we say. Know whether there's a storm on the way or sunny skies. You don't want to be caught in the water in a thunderstorm. Trust me, it could happen.
Make sure to get the okay from the lifeguard before going into the water. If there is no lifeguard, ask a trusted adult to help you.
Make sure someone is watching you swim at all times. As an extra precaution, wear a life vest. If you feel yourself in a rip current, stay calm. The current won't take you underwater, it will just take you farther from shore. Wave and yell for help, but don't try to swim against the current. It will just tire you out. Anyway, see you later. Thanks for watching. Hope you take this into consideration.
Now that the cold winter months with the snow and salted roads are over with, I'm starting to see more classic cars on the road.
Me too. Some of those cars are so fun. Have you seen the one around town that looks like the car from Cruella? One of our DC staff members was able to interview the owner and go for a spin.
And so can you tell me about this car?
Of course. This is a 1985 Tiffany.
Tiffany, what's the manufacturer?
It was built by Classic Motor Carriages in Fort Lauderdale, Florida in 1985, modeled after a Model J Duesenberg.
So, on average, is this car reliable? Is it fast? What can you tell me about
Well, as they say, she's built for comfort, not for speed. It's not a very reliable car. No custom car truly is. It's constant maintenance, brakes, exhaust, motor. It's all custom, so you're always fidgeting with it. But it's a labor of love.
Oh, really? So, what about the engine and the body?
The engine is a Ford 302 V8. The chassis of the car was extended from a 1985 Mercury Cougar sold new from the factory. This car was built during the kit car craze, but it's not a kit car, so to speak. It was factory built by Classic Motor Carriages as a turnkey car, sold with a Ford warranty and all.
Recently, some 8th graders returned from their Washington, D.C. trip. One of our DMC staff members was able to attend and take some great footage of their experiences.
Let's hear some opinions from the staff and students who were able to attend.
Why did you decide to go on the trip?
I was asked to be a chaperone, and it's something that I've never done. I didn't go on the trip when I was an 8th grader here at West Middle School, and I have never had an opportunity to chaperone. And having a child also go on the trip, it was just a perfect time to go on it.
I went on the DC trip because I wanted to have a traveling experience with just other people from the school, and it was just to see the different historical things.
I just went because, I like traveling, alright? I really like traveling, and I just wanted, and I've always wanted to, just travel across the U.S. and see what it was like.
I decided to go on the trip because a couple people in my classes were talking about how they had siblings who went that still talk about it, so I thought it would be kind of cool.
My favorite part of the trip, every single year, it's the same always, is watching 8th graders mature and grow and learn and have a good time.
Why do you host and go on the trip every year?
Because at the heart of it, I'm a teacher, and what I've learned over the years is that this is the best way to teach and learn is through experience and seeing it and being there firsthand. And I just absolutely love it. I have a great time. In fact, that's why I'm going to continue to do it even in retirement. I'm going to take, lead the trip here a few more years.
Nice. Yeah. All right, cool.
Just a reminder, if you are missing anything, check the Lost and Found in the 6th grade wing.
And if you haven't ordered your yearbook yet, make sure to order it because there's only a limited amount left.
And this is West Press signing off.
Enjoy this tutorial on how to make a mini cootie catcher.